What's up mga katribu? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today we're going to introduce a new part of the Ride Tribe PH Garage. And this is a Kawasaki Versys 650. It's a 2015 model. And it has about 41,000 kilometers. I'm not really sure. Just let me check first. Okay. So, there we go. Yeah, 41,893 kilometers. So yeah, medyo high mileage siya kung tutuusin para sa ganitong klaseng motor, normal compared sa mga big bikes na medyo garage queen. But as an adventure bike, sakto pa lang yata siya sa milyahe. Hindi naman siya matanda, hindi naman siya luma. Mataas lang milyahe but it's been well preserved naman kahit papaano. But of course, it's showing its age a little bit since hindi masyadong nagagamit recently, especially due to COVID. Yung may-ari hindi rin siya makakalabas dahil mahirap lumabas dito sa amin noon. Anyway, this bike, the purpose of this bike being here, it will be a project bike for the channel. We will be doing some mods to it. We will be doing most of our maintenance work. Yung mga maintenance series natin, dito natin gagawin. Since marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin dito. And I think pwede natin gawin na project na siguro gawin nating sort of race bike, di ba? Ay iba lang. Siyempre, lahat ng Versys dyan na nakikita natin, eto, ganito. Usually, touring, maraming ilaw, may mga panniers, ganon. But maybe let's try to make it a bit more powerful, a bit more, better braking. Okay naman yung preno, but try natin i-improve hanggat sa kaya natin. Let's make it lighter, let's make it look cooler, and of course lose a lot of weight. Alright, so I haven't really ridden this bike much. It's been with me for 2 weeks. Ayusin lang muna natin eventually, but for now sasamahan niyo muna ako sa bye. Alright, samahan niyo muna ako mag-ride. And then pag-usapan natin during my ride yung mga potential na mods and the way it feels to me as it is. So yeah, let's go. Bye. Alright, we're back. So this is a Versys 650. So ito yung mga first few days na nagagamit ko to. And actually first time kong gumamit ng Versys mula nung na-release. Di pa ako nakakapag-testing. So shoutout nga pala kay Ian, sa best friend ko. Thank you. Mayroon muna. At papagandahin natin tong motor mo habang nagpapahinga ka. Pag ready ka na lumabas, ride na tayo. Alright? Yeah! So, initial impressions, yung preno, dun, front brakes mostly, nagpo-pulsate yung lever. Baka kailangan ng ma-resurface siguro yung discs or yung rotors. Maybe fresh pads, fresh fluids, and make it smoother yung ating mga levers left and right. Ilulubricate natin yan. So I think ito medyo naka-fix gawa ng mga ibang accessories niya. But subukan natin ayusin or ilipat para mas maganda yung pagkakapwesto. That way ma-retain pa rin natin adjustable na windshield positions natin. Not bad. Feels good. Suspension's a bit wallowy. Maybe we could use some thicker oil, fork oil. Hindi ko alam ano solution sa shock, but research muna natin. We'll see what we can do. Throttle response okay naman. Kailangan lang ng servicing siguro ng throttle tube tsaka yung cables. May basa din dito, so okay. Naka 1-inch riser yata to, or handlebar riser. Maybe pwedeng subukan ibalik muna kasi it feels a bit awkward. Probably it has to do with my height kasi maliit lang ako, but yung kaibigan ko mas matangkad, yung may-ari nito. Maybe comfortable sa kanya, but for some reason sa akin pag nagko-corner medyo lumalaban siya sa akin or hindi siya ganun ka-precise. Okay. At the most powerful, of course, it's still just a 650 compared to the bigger bikes, but we'll get there. Oh, one more thing. Nagpalit daw to ng gearing sa likod. Nag-1 sa sprocket, so maybe yun yung dahilan kung bakit medyo lazy yung acceleration. Plus, of course, yung accessories ng bike heavy. So you have 4 lights, crash bars, pannier racks. They all contribute a little to the weight. And syempre, of course, yung wind drag din. Wow, wind drag, no? But yeah, it's comfy. Yeah, better damping lang siguro ng konti. Kahit ganitong stock niya, but just some better oil siguro, or thicker oil. Yeah, mostly the brakes, number 1. Project natin, palit din tayo na mas magandang gulong. Ang gamitin din palang Versys. Ang user friendly ng power, kaya pala ang daming bumibili nito. It's a really nice bike. Yeah, maybe some better handguards. Back to the bike. Better handguards maybe. These are bark busters. I think you can buy the plastic items separately from the mount itself. Maybe we can do that. So, i-color coordinate na lang din natin. But yeah, first things first, let's do the maintenance. Fresh oil, fresh filters, fresh fluids, new pads, front and rear. Kasi yung kaibigan ko medyo mabigat and he uses the back brake a lot. Medyo kailangan na ring i-check din yun. Although so far, I think it's fine. But of course, medyo balik natin ng mas fresh siya. For a 5-year-old bike, normal na lang siguro medyo naging hazy yung ganyan, yung gauges niya, which of course we can always polish. Yan, just really clean up the bike. Maganda naman tong bike na to eh. Busy lang din talaga yung may-ari kaya hindi niya maasikaso. So that's a lot of projects that we can do. And of course, habang nandun na tayo, mag-upgrade na rin lang hanggat kaya. Alright, sounds good. Ganda rin pala yung tunog niya habang nasa limiter siya. Feels good. For me especially, nakakapanibago na may wind protection ako sa Truxton ko. Wala talaga. Kaya yung 120, 130 na minsan yung cruising speeds mo sa open roads, hindi mo ramdam kasi hindi ka nahanginan. And the best part is of course, siguro when you're riding at night, your visor stays clean for much longer. Sa akin, yung motor ko wala. Ang dami na kaagad bugs sa visor ko even after 1 hour lang. Feels good na mag-adventure bike ulit. It's been a while. Okay, so I think that's it na muna. We can have a drink here siguro. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.